Hello everyone, where to apply for DENR wastewater discharge permit? Para makapag-apply po tayo ng DENR discharge permit in compliance with RA 9275, we will go to online permitting and monitoring system via opms.emb.gov.ph. So pumunta lamang kayo sa inyong favorite internet browser at puntahan itong online permitting and monitoring system. Para makapag-apply tayo ng discharge permit dito sa system, syempre kailangan natin gumawa ng ating account. So click nyo lang po itong register button at mag-fill up po tayo nitong registration form. So dapat makagawa tayo ng account at ang kailangan dito. So halimbawa first name Juan, then last name De La Cruz, company represented, at ang ating address. Kailangan din po ang mobile number. At kung merong landline number, ilalagay dito at isang active email. Kailangan i-confirm ang email at ilagay ang ating desired password. I-confirm ang password. And after that, mag-upload po ng ating mga copy ng company ID or any non-government issued ID. So dapat lahat tayo merong ilalagay dito. First, the company ID. Pangalawa, government ID. At pangatlo, company's authorization letter. So yan po ang kailangan mga i-upload. And after that, tick I agree. And then isubmit po ang registration form. So kapag nakagawa na po ng ating account, babalik lang na po tayo doon sa OPMS at mag-login po dito. So ang tanong, saan po mag-a-apply ng DNR discharge permit? Dito po sa online permitting and monitoring system ng Environmental Management Bureau. At sa pag-a-apply, kailangan po ng account at kailangan activated yung account po na ito. Isa pang paalala, bago mag-apply ng discharge permit through the online permitting and monitoring system, kailangan ang company ay registered muna sa company registration system ng DNR through client.emb.gov.ph. So back to the question, where to apply for DNR discharge permit? Answer is through online permitting and monitoring system of DNR Environmental Management Bureau. Thank you very much, everyone. And if you want to know more about environmental compliance, please subscribe to this channel. Please share this video. Please like this video. Thank you very much, everyone, and have a great day. God bless us all.